Okay, get ready for this. This fact is gonna blow your mind. Did you know sharks are actually older than trees? Sharks have been swimming on this planet for over 400 million years. That's 50 million years before the first tree even existed. Imagine that. No forests, no birds, no dinosaurs. Just ancient oceans. And sharks, already cruising. Some sharks haven't changed much since then. They're basically living fossils. So the next time you spot a shark, you're not looking at an ordinary fish. You're looking at pure history. Mind blown? Follow for more epic facts.